I wish that I would have bought more in 2007 and 2008 and 2009, and then sitting back now looking at it, holy cow. The profit, the cash flow, the opportunity, absolutely insane. What happened a couple days ago? The stock market crashed, right? Well, it didn't really crash, it kind of corrected, right? Dow kind of went down a little bit. And what does that mean? That means that, you know, investors are a little wary, right? We're on probably one of the longest bull runs in a while. So we're looking for a little bit of stability. Where's the number one place where you can find investors to JV on your deals right now? You can go talk to these folks that have 401ks that can roll them over. Connect with these folks and say, hey, here's the diversification strategy, why don't we do this? My buddy Rick Malero from his Capital Group, I interviewed him today. He talks about 3 different buckets that you should have in terms of investment activity to capitalize and make sure that you're really positioning yourself for the long term. 40% needs to go into active real estate investing, flips, things like this. The next 40% needs to go into passive real estate investments, but safe. Something like single family rentals, duplexes, tries, that kind of thing. The last 20% needs to go into your high yield, high risk. Something like a real estate development. Really, really important to know, because what happens is, there's a correction coming, isn't there? Who feels the correction coming? Say aye. Thank you, Tony Robbins. Aye. Okay. So we feel that coming. I also interviewed the chief economist, Doug Duncan, at Fannie Mae. And I said, listen, Doug, he likes to jump out of planes. He likes to parachute. He likes to go skydiving. Oh, the irony, right? You work for GSE, and you're the chief economist, and you like to skydive. What's going on? What's wrong with you? It's tough. So what he said, and I asked him very plainly, I said, listen, Doug, you have a crystal ball and I have a snow globe. What's going on in the real estate market? When do you predict that there's going to be any type of real estate correction? And he said, toward the end of 2019, if there's going to be one. So what does that mean for us? That means that we have roughly 2 years to capitalize and buy as many single-family rentals as possible if the numbers make sense. Don't violate your rules. My buying criteria is this: 3-bed, 2-bath, about 1,200 square feet with an attached garage, paved driveway, no war zones, and you know what? I need to be buying generally at the 1.2% rule of total cost. I love talking about brand and how you can build that and leverage that for the future. I started with nothing. I started in failure in inner city Detroit, right? I'm 5'5" and 120 pounds, brown kid in inner city Detroit, knocking on doors, asking for help at midnight because my basement had flooded. That's where I started my entire real estate journey. And it was crazy, but you start, you go, you do one deal, then the next deal, and then the next deal, and then you partner with amazing people that are in the room, build relationships, connect with people, because you never know who you're going to meet.